Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is indeed your girl Tia McPherson. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. But if you are a oldie but a goodie, welcome back y'all. It's nighttime and for the first time in years I'm going out. Okay, I know, this is a part of growing up. This is a part of becoming an adult, I guess. Okay, but tonight I will be showcasing a wig to you guys tonight. So this video is 100% sponsored by samsbeauty.com, and today I'll be showcasing a Outre unit to y'all. Y'all know Outre never misses, like never misses. Okay, so this is the Outre melted hairline and her name is Seraphine, and she is in the color DRFF2 Cinnamon Mocha. Okay, so it can take high heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It does have baby hair and it does have an elastic band. So this is what she looks like. She is gorgeous. She is a gorgeous unit. I did go in and pluck a little bit. It does come in a variety of colors. I know my hair is looking crazy, that y'all don't mind that because I'm finna fix that. Okay, so remember guys, it's in the color DRFF2 Cinnamon Mocha. It comes in a variety of colors, which is cinnamon mocha, hazelnut honey, and strawberry gold. So these are the colors that it comes in. So cute. Okay, so y'all already know how I do my wig installs. Once again, if you don't know, if you're new to the channel, welcome in. I do have a playlist of wig video contents that I've done, so y'all can go ahead and check that out. I'll make sure to put it in the description of this video, so in case you want to watch the way that I install my units, y'all can go ahead and do so. Okay, so let's jump into this wig install. Okay, y'all did not even notice I did not show y'all the unit. What's up with y'all? Y'all not paying attention, you know? Okay, so this is her, a gorgeous brown color. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's almost giving chocolate, but in a different kind of way, you know what I mean? So as I mentioned earlier, I did go in and pluck the hairline a little bit. I mean, it was perfect, but I just felt like I wanted to do something extra. Okay, now y'all sit back, relax, and enjoy this install. Let's go. Bye.